Starting this year with a new subscription box. It's new to me. This is going to be an Allure Beauty Box review unboxing. This is the January 2022 box. Go ahead and see. There was a special. I think it was like $14 or something. But it's usually, I think it's $23. I did tell you guys that I wanted to try a new box. I usually get the Ipsy Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm base box. I wanted to switch it up. I did put BoxyCharm on hold for this month. I'm so sad, so sad. I think I'm gonna get it again. I miss them. A little pamphlet. I really like that. Beatable members only prices. All right. I might leave the link below in the description just in case you do like this and you would like to sign up. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me tell you exactly, every month you will get 100 plus in value. At least 6 products in each box, 3 or more full sizes, all selected by Allure editors. What brand is this? Christoph Robin? It looks so nice. This is the daily hair cream with sandalwood. I like sandalwood. I was checking to see if we have the prices, and yes, so this pamphlet will tell you the description of the items plus the price. So let me go ahead and look for this. This is a nice 3.4 ounces. So this retails for $43. It's silicone-free leave-in conditioner. Oh, it's a leave-in conditioner? I use that every day. With hydrating, smoothing ingredients like glycerin and apricot kernel oil, helps you air dry or blow dry without frizz or puffiness. It's lighter than a lot of the other hair oils and conditioners, so you can use it to smooth frizz and flyaways, even along your part and hairline, without weighing down your roots. That is something I'm gonna have to check. Again, I'm super excited for this. My hair is really thin. It'll get weighed down with anything, so I'm gonna try this. It says moisturizing care, anti-split ends, anti-breakage. How about we smell this? I want to smell this. And this says it's made in Italy. Okay, I like the scent. It's nothing like fruity or weird. I think it smells like luxury to me, whatever that means. Perfect Strokes Mascara Volume Universal from Rare Beauty. Oh my god. Tells you black. I haven't tried too many things of Rare Beauty, but oh my god, so this is a mascara. How awesome is that? This is also made in Italy. It's amazing. Amazing. I love this. Rare Beauty. Why you'll love it. Hello Vavavoom Lashes. This mascara leaves lashes fluttery, soft, and clump-free. The long-wearing pitch black formula spiked with lash conditioning castor oil. Oh, that is amazing. Castor oil is really good. Doesn't dry too quickly, so you can easily go in with a second layer to up the drama. And the thick brush coats every lash with ease. It's why Selena Gomez Rare Beauty is one celebrity beauty brand that our editors actually can't get enough of. And this retails for $20. Pretty cool. Let's just see what the wand looks like. You know, I don't think I'm going to be using this because unless you guys want me to try it and show you what it looks like. But you know I don't really use like non-waterproof mascaras. Alright, so the wand is nice. I think it has a bit of a hourglass shape. Can you see it? A bit, not a lot. A little bit. So that's pretty cool. Doesn't smell like anything. Something here pretty tiny. What is this? Can you see that? Hold on, let me move it here. But there's like some beads there. This is from L'Occitane. This, the big size, retails for $64. This is a small one, obviously. Okay, 1 bottle of this smoothing nighttime treatment is sold every minute, according to L'Occitane. And when you try it, you'll see why. This formula feels amazing and helps make skin softer and brighter overnight with antioxidant essential oil. Massage a little over your skin and then dive into bed. The serum sinks in quickly. Oil in serum. That's interesting. I like to use stuff like this in the nighttime. Usually like around my forehead, here in the décolletage. I don't really use too much like oils in this section. Maybe I will. I don't know. I'll try. I'm just scared. Like, I don't want to like break out or anything. I barely break out in my forehead anymore. It was really bad in the past. So pretty cool. I gotta say, I'm really excited about this. I don't know why. Yes, what is this? Solana MD Healthy Base Layer. This rich whipped cream infused with vitamin D melts into skin instead of sitting on top and helps keep it simultaneously smooth and plump. A rare find. It contains some serious hydrating ingredients, coconut oil, and hyaluronic acid to make skin radiant. Even though it's called the base layer, the moisturizer is hydrating enough to wear alone at nighttime, but always top it with sunscreen in the morning. Okay, so I thought maybe this was like for the hand. It says skin cream. Maybe not only for the face, for the skin. I would use it if it's for the skin. I think I'm having like keratosis pilaris or something. I don't know. This is pretty cool. This is a 0.5 ounce. The big size, I believe, is a 4 ounce. And it retails for $54. I didn't even open this. I just want to see. Oh, it's a little pump. That is amazing packaging. I think comes nicely sealed here. Just want to see if it's like super oily or... Nothing special about the scent. To me it has, why do I smell like a little bit of orange or something? Very little. And else here, this is from Kaja. I have tried like one thing from them. What is this? Bouncy Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. Oh, I hope it's shades that I like. Do you guys like Kaja? 08 Chocolate Dahlia. Can't wait, can't wait. They have the cutest packaging. They came out with like these heart-shaped lip products. I asked you guys on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Jenz BeautyStyle. If you wanted me to review it, or you guys liked it, and some of you said no, you don't like it. So look how cute. These are the shades. Beautiful brown, dark brown. I always need something like nice and dark so I can at least put like in the outer corner to give me some life. This is a beautiful brown too. These are both matte, so that is great. This is like a transition for me. This one would be like a more smoky to darken things up, and then this would be like for all over the lid. How gorgeous that is. Oh my god. Does everybody get the same thing in Allure Beauty Box, or like is there different boxes that get sent out? I don't know. I know they were supposed to send me like 1 or 2 gifts with the box, since it was like my first time when you sign up. Skin Medica. This is the Instant Bright Eye Mask, and it's 2 single-use patches. There you go. I'm not disappointed with this box. These Hydrogel Patches, formulated with moisturizing glycerin and antioxidant golden root extract. I like to use this. I definitely like have creasing, fine lines, so I'll use this. This retails for 6 sets of 2 patches is $48. 15 to 20 minutes for the depuffing patches to do their magic. When you're looking for an extra relaxing treatment, a little more help in the depuffing department. I don't have a lot of puffiness, but like I said, I do have the fine lines. This is made in Korea. Sunday Riley. I love Sunday Riley. Look. Let me see if I have it here. Airy gel texture melts into skin and the curved applicator is cooling. Sunday Riley 5 stars retinoid niacinamide eye serum. Okay, so 2 eye products? Come on. Why would you do that? I mean, if it was 2 eye products for makeup, but 2 skincare products for eyes? Come on. The serum feels light and refreshing on under eyes and treats the delicate area. Retinoids, the powerhouse smoothers, and niacinamide, a buzzy antioxidant that helps brighten skin and fade redness. This retails for $65. A 0.5 ounce. I don't know if this is the full size. I think so. The packaging. This is so beautiful, these blues. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. And let's open to see what it looks like. Oh! I'm really excited to use this. It's such a weird shaped. This is just like super excited to use this. This makes it so easy, like for me to want to use it instead of like something that I have to dip my finger and go, oh my god. And just the packaging. Let me just take some out. Oh, look. So it's like yellow. This retails for $65. Wow. Okay, no scent. No scent. See, it looks really hydrating. I really like the brands that I got in this box. Love Sunday Riley. I like Kaja. This is a really nice brand, even though it's a smaller size. L'Occitane, just to try it out. I really am excited for this. The only things that I'm just like, are these two. I would have been excited for Rare Beauty, but I mean, just because I don't really wear that kind of mascara. But wow. I was thinking of canceling it after this time, but again, I'm going to be receiving Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the first time this month, so that video will be coming as soon as it arrives. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.